Hi, I'm Nicolette Machado, a licensed clinical social worker at the Immaculate Heart of Mary Counseling Center in Lincoln, Nebraska. Inspired by a struggle I face in my own home, this Mental Health Minute is about the impact technology can have on children. Our children are clearly growing up in media-rich homes, and the amount of time we spend interacting with our personal technology devices is only increasing. And we find our children desiring these interactions too, sometimes at very early ages. The responsibility falls on us as parents to find the right way for our children to interact with technology. To do this, we first need to understand the ways technology impacts our children and how to encourage the right use of technology. The goal is for technology to have a positive effect on their behavior and development, as opposed to a negative one, because when we use technology correctly, it can actually have a very positive impact on our children's development. Excessive amounts of technology time during a child's developmental years is likely to have an impact on their growth. A few different areas where a child could encounter difficulties as a result of too much screen time could be physical activity, which is stagnated, increased aggression, compromising privacy and safety, inhibiting the development of social skills, critical thinking, attention, imagination, and we definitely see it on a child's ability to self-soothe or self-regulate. We all know well how the immediate handing over of a cell phone or a tablet can calm a distressed child. And in these moments, we are disrupting the opportunity for our children to learn how to self-soothe and to self-regulate. So what can we do about it? First, we can manage our own technology use thoughtfully. As parents, we hear this often. Our children learn habits by watching the adults around them. So model healthy technology habits. We can integrate technology into family life. When parents and children view screens together, it's a way to monitor use and guide children towards more meaningful content. Protect bedtime at all costs. Studies have shown that digital media use at nighttime can interfere with sleep quality. So consider restricting the use of technology for a period of at least 30 minutes before bed, and we should think twice before we let our kids use those devices in their bedrooms after lights out. Pay attention. With younger kids, it's easy to see what they're doing, but as kids get older, it's harder to look over their shoulder. So have open and honest discussions about what sites and types of content are off limit. Do your research and understand the media your children is using and current trends in media. And definitely explore software to filter or restrict access to content that's off limits. And just like when we teach manners to our children for in-person interactions, teach them good online behavior. Often people say things online that they never say in person. So we need to talk to our children about the importance of being respectful in their digital interactions. Encourage them to come to you if they witness cyberbullying or other troubling information online. And finally, discuss digital decision making. It can be hard to discern whether some websites are reliable sources of information or not. So we need to have conversations with our children about how to evaluate authenticity and accuracy online. Take time to explain why they shouldn't download unfamiliar programs, shouldn't click on suspicious links, or they shouldn't share personal information on unknown apps or websites.